Protect your home with this simple yet very powerful protection jar. You are going to need, of course, some salt. We always need salt for purification and protection. Also, we are going to add black pepper for banishing negative energy, releasing jealousy and protection. Then rosemary for purification, love and healing. And we are going to add some chili peppers that also banish negative energy and cleanse the space from negativity. Before adding a chili, you are going to put in a protective rune. Make sure that before doing any kind of a jar, you smudge it with Palo Santo, sage, or maybe cinnamon. Our jar is ready. Now we are going to add some salt for protection. Black pepper for protection and banishing negative energy. Rosemary for protection and purification. And now we need to set our rune. So put your rune inside of your jar towards yourself. Put it inside. And the last step is the chili. For most protected. We are ready for sealing our jar. Close it. This simple yet very powerful jar will protect you against any curses, any negative energy, and you should place it in front of your door. Thank you for watching.